It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz GL. With its chiseled muscle, it might be easy to dismiss its presence as mere swagger, but from behind the wheel, its agility will give you something even more valuable: confidence. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Twin-turbo V6 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, external memory control, power fold-into floor seat, front heated bucket seats, and power heated mirrors. Cars.com reports in the pantheon of full-size SUVs, only a few can truly be considered world-class. That the Mercedes-Benz GL Class SUV is one of them was specifically by design. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,